Hello, this is Naveen Kumar Kalwar, student of MIT, having ID number MIT 200551. In this video, I am going to demonstrate about a 3 security scanner tool. In the first part, I have got a feedback giving more detail about the scanners in details. In the first part, I have chosen Bobsite, Kali Linux, and others like Nmap and so on. For this demonstration, I have chosen 3 ways like Nmap, Uniscan, and Nikto. The reason of choosing a Nikto, Nmap and Uniscan is because they are open source and easy to use for others, and they can easily scan any IP addresses that we're gonna use for penetration testing and other resources also. Uh, Let us start our demonstration. I'm gonna start first with a Nmap. It is because it is very easier to noisy and easily detectable to any servers for scanning any site. First, let's start our terminal. Before starting, we need to install Nmap. I have already installed Nmap by using apt-get install Nmap. And this is all the function available in Nmap, just like D stand for increasing the debugging level, and like a miscellaneous enable IPv scannings, and A for enable OS detection, and Nmap dot that I will do the examples like nmap -v -a scanme.nmap.org. This is for a version and this is for address. Like I have an user like a ns lookup scanme.nmap.org. This ns lookup means to find any IP addresses of any website we use to get a server or address. For example, we have used a scanme.nmap.org. This gives the information about like a server's address and like what the name and address of the. Another one is like we use ns lookup for to save the information in a file, just like this one, ns look up for 5.33.32.156 give naming any name for a file like a navin.txt, and this will save the information in a file name navin.txt in the folder called navin. We can look at it at the like a folder navin. Like there, like here we can find this navin.txt. In this one we can give all the information about the like scanme.nmap.org, and the next scanner is like a Nikto. Like in Nikto, this is all the function available for doing a different types of scanning. It is fantastic. It is very useful for detecting a vulnerability on the any server we're gonna work. It work on any website or a web server. It doesn't matter anything like for it is for a general purpose, not for any hacking any system. Nikto is generally used for any finding the host and a port address for any IP addresses. We're gonna start with finding a host or IP address for any system like Nikto -h 192.168.1.1-v-80. Like a target IP address is like 192.168. 811 and the target port is 80. Start time is like a 2020, 8:30. Time is like a 5:34. This will give all the information about the what was the server name, IP address name, and what is gonna do. Like one host is detected and in time is like 5:35.14. And if we want to store this information in any file in a desktop or any folder, we can do by like this one. -O for open the file, -F for the extension, now we can look at this like a banana file. You can see like an Novin folder. Like here banana, it will give all the information about the targeted IP addresses or website. And the last one is like a Uniscan. Uniscan is the like a collection of all the argument and the tools in the website. Let's first clear this terminal. First of all, we need to install a Uniscan before starting any scanning by using this scanner. But for example, sudo apt-get install Uniscan. We install the Uniscan. Now we're gonna search for any website for this Uniscan. Just like sudo Uniscan -h, and like for example, we gonna know we want to find the information about any website, for example colleges or like Facebook or Google. Just example, I will try my own college, my MIT. Sudo Uniscan -u. It will take a bit time because we are going to like getting information about like a website for colleges. Like it will start now the domain one, and after that like a cookies or domains. Like we get the information about the domain name and a scan and the in date of the any website. And the last one, I want to do like a same code by using a quotes that will give all the information about the detailed information about all the directory in the system. Just command this followed by quotes. By this command we can get all the information about the website regarding all the about like directories and other things we needed. We can use this scanner tool for like a general knowledge purpose. We can't use any for like hacking any system, that's illegal. In this way I have done 3 scanner in my system. So that's all. If you have any question regarding this video, you can just give me a comment on my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.